How you guys doing? This is Val from Affordable. Today we're pulling in a Well-McLean 75,000 B2 steam boiler. We came up with our 3-inch, 3 by 2-inch reducer. Put in a new automatic water feeder, new gas. We did our return heart for loop. We flushed the rest of the units, flushed and fully serviced them. Kicked them back on, adjusted. She's working great. Stay tuned to more of our videos on affordablehvacpa.com. And if you're interested for a new system, whether it's steam, oil, gas, or e-pump, give us a call.